Very good morning to my dear friends, and thank you all for being in our channel. Yesterday, before the market opened, let me share you what was our view of the market. So, I mentioned that good morning market may open a little higher above 24,800. Later, a range bound for a while in between market. I may check and focus on Sensex, Nifty if it looks good, and Nifty, in fact, Nifty we did trade, I think put 24,800 above 44, and this hit 58 at the open. So beautiful trap for the opening. If somebody would have got call, they would have got stuck. Market was totally range bound whole day, as expected. We and still bearish, and we did trade on Bank Nifty. One trade, I think, from 443 it went to 500 plus, and we were looking at Bank Nifty put, but and then we booked half because it was not working really great. There was a re-entry on Bank Nifty. We booked again half. We normally trade. What we do is book half, and then we keep the stop loss to break even or trail it, so that if there is a bigger move, we get profit. That's the strategy we normally follow. And for short-term picks, I'm looking at HDIL 4.8. Let me just share you. So short-term picks, I'm looking at HDIL and 4.8 above, and UPL. I'm looking at Asian Paints on my picks. Senloop also is the picks which I'm looking at. Uh, Dev Info Technology is another pick which I'm looking at. So let's look at the Sensex. Let's see what is happening here. Um, so I have two trading view accounts, which makes me for analysis and for so that it helps. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty yesterday. Let's look at how the price moved, and so let's close this indicator because they are not really great helpful. So if you see, this was the moment. Bank Nifty moved pretty well, but if you see Nifty, of course, we were mostly looking at the bearish side because we were seeing a downtrend. In fact, we took trade. I think here this was one move which we were able to capture. This was another move which captured. But however, it was mostly range boundish. Let's look at Sensex for today, because today is Sensex expiry. Same pattern is created over here. Let me get a pen. Okay, this is the pen. Okay, great. So if you see the pattern, it is kind of stuck in this range. So don't think we will get any big movements until this price gives some action. However, what I will be looking at is if price is stuck. This is a no trade zone for me. Okay, if price moves like this and moves up, then I will look for longs, right? And this would be probably typically my entry point. And if it breaks this level, this shall be my entry points. So this is very simple price action which I'll follow. Along with that, I will look at other analysis. I would want to see how the algo traders, the big players, are positioning. So big players, they position themselves, in the very smart way. They make you feel market is moving up. They squeeze sometimes in this range and get you stuck. But they have slowly building up their either their longs or building up their shorts. So this data, this tool is chargeable tool which I look at, but it's not very really user friendly. But yes, it helps me a lot. Another analysis we look at, we have option chain and other things. So charts along with these things helps us a lot to trade, and algo trading tool will help you a great tool. So having said that, this is what my simplest trading view would be for today. And let's look at the stocks which UPL. I think I'm looking at that. I would not be looking at big move in UPL. Let me share. Okay, so UPL here, if you see, I'm expecting it to be slightly range bounded, but I'm looking at UPL to hit these levels, right? So price is moving pretty well, and so I will expecting it to move upside, and my targets I already mentioned. Apart from that, I'm also looking at we already holding, of course, price jet. Now that it looks very bullish, we will add in few more, but we will wait. If a pattern could be this, if it may move consistently upside. uh, so we will see if price moves, but we'll add more. We, of course, we have very low levels, almost like uh, we've been chasing the stock always, booking and entering. Interesting thing in gold, if you want to see, there's a big move which has happened. It's a super bullish, and at the moment, if you see, this is the structure which is formed. Correct. So price will be stuck in this range, but it will keep looking for higher. At one point in time, possibility that if price is able to come below this, then maybe we may see 22,382. So there might be a good profit booking, and then that would be a good idea to go long again. So thanks friends for joining. This is my short view on the market. I wish you all good luck and God bless.